Feedwater system. This lecture is part of the lecture series on steam power plant systems. It may be useful for plant operating staff. This diagram shows condensate makeup and dump system and feedwater system. But in this lecture we are going to discuss only feedwater system. Feedwater system starts from feedwater storage tank from which feedwater goes through the boiler feed pump to HP heaters. Then it goes through the feed control station to the boiler. We shall cut this diagram, and this cut diagram shall be used for further discussion. In the attached figure, only feedwater system is being shown, which we are going to discuss in the subsequent slides. Request: it is hoped that this session is going to be useful to you. Please press like button. Please subscribe this channel. बहुत जल्दी यह लेक्चर आपको हिंदी में भी उपलब्ध होगा. The purpose of the feedwater system is to provide an adequate flow of properly heated and conditioned water to the boiler and maintain the boiler drum level in accordance with the boiler load. This system also sends water to the boiler superheater temperators, reheater temperators, auxiliary steam desuperheaters, HPLP bypass desuperheaters, etc. Under normal operating conditions, feedwater flows from the deaerator feed storage tank, which is the beginning of the feedwater system, to the suction of the boiler feed pumps BFP. High pressure discharge from BFP flows through the high pressure feedwater heaters before entering the economizer through the feed regulating control station, which regulates feedwater flow to the boiler to maintain boiler drum level. Here we are showing the BFP recirculation line. Each boiler feed pump is provided with a minimum flow recirculation line for protection of the pump, which ensures the minimum flow through pump when the throughput to the boiler is stopped or falls below the minimum flow limit. Each of the high pressure feed water heaters is provided with individual isolation valves as well as a bypass valve. Here we are having the isolation valves and this one is the bypass valve. Chemicals are dosed at the suction of boiler feed pump to maintain pH and dissolve oxygen of feed water. Here we are having cold reheat line extraction and this one is the intermediate pressure turbine extraction. The HP feed water heaters receive extraction steam from the cold reheat line and intermediate pressure turbine. Here we can see that reheat extraction steam is coming, then coming out of the HP heater, then it is going to this HP heater and afterwards the steam is coming out and going to the deaerator. Whereas feed water is coming like this. The steam and feed water flow through the HP heaters in a counter flow arrangement. So we have seen that steam and water are flowing in the opposite directions, that is counter flow arrangement. Feed water successively flows through the high pressure heaters and absorbs heat from the extraction steam as it passes through the heaters. Request. It is hoped that this session was useful to you. Please press like button. Please subscribe this channel. बहुत जल्दी यह लेक्चर आपको हिंदी में भी उपलब्ध होगा.